Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start understanding dividends with Procter & Gamble step by step clearly. Understanding dividends can seem complex, but it can be simplified using a well-known company like Procter & Gamble. Let's start by defining what dividends are. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, often as a way to share profits. Next, explore Procter & Gamble's dividend history. Procter & Gamble is known for its reliability in paying dividends consistently. Visit their official website or financial news platforms to find historical dividend data. Look for key information such as the amount and frequency of their dividend payments. Now, focus on the yield. The dividend yield is a crucial metric, calculated by dividing the annual dividend by the share price. To understand how dividend yield works, calculate it using Procter & Gamble's current share price. Research Procter & Gamble's payout ratio. The payout ratio indicates how much of the company's earnings are being paid out as dividends. A lower payout ratio suggests that the company retains more earnings for growth. Next, consider the company's growth potential and stability. Read financial analyses and reports to gauge Procter & Gamble's overall performance and market position. Look for trends in revenue and earnings growth over the past few years. Understanding the company's business model is essential. Procter & Gamble has a strong portfolio of trusted brands, which provide stability in turbulent markets. Explore their competitive advantages, such as brand loyalty and economies of scale. Next, check for any recent news or changes that may affect dividends. This includes changes in the industry, economic factors, or company-specific announcements. Review the frequency of Procter & Gamble's dividend payments. This company pays dividends quarterly, providing a regular income stream for investors. Finally, analyze your investment goals in relation to dividends. Determine if income generation is a priority for you, or if you're focused on capital appreciation. By following these steps, you can gain a clearer understanding of dividends through the lens of Procter & Gamble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.